Hi there, welcome to this video. Now, today in this video, let's explore how we can create native QR codes inside GoHighLevel sub accounts. Now, GoHighLevel gives you the option to create your own QR codes inside the sub accounts. So, to do so, first of all, you need to log into your sub account, go to app.gohighlevel.com or the white level domain that you have created already. For myself, it is app.rising.com. Once I log into this, let's go to the sub account where you want to create it. For example, this is my sub account. Now, what you need to do is go to Sites from the left menu, then click on QR codes from the top menu. Now, you'll get into this place. If you want to learn more about the QR features and what it does, you can see all of these details. We have different keyword types, we have bulk keyword option and analytics as well. Now we'll click on create QR code, and this is the place where you need to put the QR code name. So let's say, right, or yeah, that's fine. I think that is what you can put now here, for example. So this is the name of the QR code, and you have the option to choose between whether it is in a website, whether it is a review link, a call, like phone number kind of thing, SMS, email, payment link, WhatsApp number, a link to funnel, form, survey, quiz, profile card like a contact card, V card, again contact card, or business card. Now this time we'll go with this one, right? We just choose the website and then click on next. Now here we need to put the link to the website. So it is. So let's say this is the one we want to put here. Click on next. Now you can play around with the color. Now see one thing here. This background color is this background color behind this QR code. So if I change this, we'll find it's looking like this. You can change it to any color or change the transparency to make the background transparent. Here is the dot colors. So if I make this change to this one, you'll see this is a dot color that is changing. So let's say I play around with some colors here. This is the dot color as I set it to be. And then market border colors. So these are the ones we're talking about. We can change it to something else as well. You see, this is separate from the ones we have. And let's say I want to make the center part, this circles, into a different color. So it will look like this, right? If you want to like keep only one color or two color, that is completely fine. I just wanted to show you how it looks. Now here you see this is the QR code and how it is appearing. We can change the shape of those dots in here. Whichever you prefer, you can go with that. This is a basic general one. This is also general and most common one. This gives kind of 3D kind of texture. This is also similar. I personally like this one, but let's go with this one maybe for now. Now here we have this marker color, or go with this one. Here we have this marker color, which is marker border actually. We can make it complete circle or complete square or like with curved edges. I like this one. Then center, shall it be square or shall it be round? If you make both of those cut, that's fine. Otherwise, round looks good. Now logo. You can always put a logo in the middle of this QR code like this. So if you have a logo handy, what you can do, you can put your own logo or choose between these ones. So if you're taking payment from people, you can choose this one as well. Now let me try to find out a logo if I have. Let's say I want to use this one. So you got it. The logo is placed in the middle and the QR code is working perfectly. Now here is an interesting part, remove background behind logo. If you do that, if you do not enable this, it will look like a mess. So always make sure to do this. Then page background, it is if you want to add any image in the background. For example, if I want to add this particular image, I can play around with that and make it transparent as well. So it is not mandatory, but just an option given here. Now once it is done, it is ready to do like use. You can download that to save it on your computer or save it directly to use on any other platform like uh, on your site or somewhere else. You can do that. Now, after downloading, you can always print that or use that for any other purposes. Or you have this option to copy the link. You can also put the link in a new tab and you'll find this is a link for the QR code. The link is rising.automation, but the link for QR code is this, right? Similarly, as uh, we have that ready with us, this one, you can save it or you can scan it just to check if it is working fine or not. See, then you can select the file, move them into a particular folder, renew the file, download and copy the link that we just talked about. In downloads, we have three options: PNG, PDF, and SVG. Now the analytics come into here. When you click on analytics, you'll find the performance of all the QR codes. So here, for example, I can see that Rising automation has been scanned 3 times, right? And the other ones are not anything that has been clicked. We can check last 90 days, and you can see that there are 7 clicks and um, 6 of them were unique. The main site was scanned 4 times, like this. So this is what you can generate the access and go to this analytics and choose the QR code from this list and choose a particular QR code if you want. And this is reports. I hope that was helpful. Yeah, so that's all for this video. I hope that was helpful. Thank you and have a great day ahead.